How you ain't never heard a rapper's delight, but you on the track thinking you tight. I'm slapping Carmen on them, there's a light. I know the game, I'll never fall for the hype. Ayy, hit hot beans for that chicken and rice. They food smack, come fat for the price. It be crazy and Vallejo was vice. Yeah, for real, seen the mean and the nice. From the bottom, we just tryna make a living. Always thankful for the chances I've been given. Big homies in the game was appealing. Coming up, I still remember the feeling. Ultra thin, I'ma stuff me a zag. Since a youngin' put the work in with dad. East side, Cottonwood at the pad. Thinking back, all the times that we had. Sign on the fence, boy, beware the dog. In case a sucker try to hop like a frog. I put it down for the wood like a log. In that pit, I'm tied in with the hogs. Look, been sick with it, I don't need me a chain. Deep scars tryna heal the pain. Since Vince left, it don't feel the same. In my heart, though, we still remain. Look, I live life cause every second is precious. Harder to sleep, now I feel like I'm restless. Cause what they say, yeah, the times are the essence. Only keeping good vibes in my presence. Grass cut, watching out for the boas. They tryna hop on my arc like it's Noah's. My bloodline, Anteo and Koa. I'm real East Vallejo like Carmen Ochoa. This that Supreme like the team up in Queens. That Long Island Eric B and Rakeem. Brooklyn's own, yeah, the B.I.G. A Harlem born, that boy Biz Marquis. Bazuna G from the west like Warren. In the Bay where the game is pouring. Mac Dre, where I'm from, he important. Priceless times, boy, you couldn't afford it. The hood made me like MC8. Menace to society, VC tape. Jack Tatum told me I'd be great. Junior Seau taught me love, don't hate. Like the Lombardi Zune done been polished. Just trying to share a little bit of this knowledge. It's from the streets, I ain't get it in college. The fact is to me, I be paying them homage.
We've been pressing shirts for a couple hours and he won't let me take a break. This is a violation of some California law somewhere. Even though I'm in the business for myself, he will not let me pee break. He won't let me eat. I'm totally kidding. Hey, but I got a question, man. Who the F is Reggie?
They can buy a shirt and find out. I don't know.
I don't know. I'm trying
it says it on the back of the shirt, but to be honest, I don't even know myself. So
I'm confused though. I've been pressing these for months and I still don't know who the F is Reggie. You got an idea back there who the F Reggie is?
I don't even know. You have to buy the shirt and find out. Buy the shirt and find out.
See what these young guys do these days? They make me press stuff and don't tell me who the hell Reggie is. Buy a shirt and find out.
New colorway. New colorway.
Dog. In case a sucker try to hop like a frog, I put it down for the wood like a log. In that pit, I'm tied in with the hogs. Look, been sick with it, I don't need me a chain. Deep scars tryna heal the pain. Since Vince left, it don't feel the same. In my heart, though, we still remain. Look, I live life cause every second is precious. Harder to sleep, now I feel like I'm...
We made it 4 hours later, we're on the last shirt. They went to work. My man's, it was folding. They see what it's like to be in a t-shirt business. 4 hours. Look though, in 4 hours, I still don't know who the F Reggie is. Who the F is Reggie?
That Long Island Eric B and Rakeem. Brooklyn's own, yeah, the B.I.G. A Harlem born, that boy Biz Marquis. Bazuna G from the west like Warren. In the Bay where the game is pouring. Mac Dre, where I'm from, he important. Priceless times, boy, you couldn't afford it. The hood made me like MC8. Menace to society, VC tape.
New color, that one too, new color.
Y'all don't understand the grind. We started at 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, excuse me, it's 11 o'clock, and we're just getting done. Kinda. The t-shirt business wore me out. He didn't even give me a break. He's a bad employer. Just kidding. That, my friends, is another day and full night of the t-shirt grind. building your t-shirt business. If you're printing for other people, we started at 7. It is now 11:55. Took that long, but I'm glad because I love to see when people come in. I let a few folks come in. If I've been around them long enough and I trust them, you know, with COVID and things like that, I'll let them come in so they can work with me, see the process, help me out, and they can see just how much work I put in. I think they saw that tonight. So hopefully you enjoyed that video and that you're learning something from it, that it's still encouraging you to start your business, and that it's showing you it's financially, it's rewarding in so many aspects. I'm going to sleep. I'm tired.
Little bit of this knowledge is from the streets. I ain't get it in college. The fact is, tell me I be paying them homage.
Who the F is Reggie?
Yo, what's up, Ruben?
What up?
How you doing, man?
I'm good. Talk to me. What you got?
So I know we just got this pack of shirts in, right? But
You did not sell them that fast.
I need some more shirts, man.
Are you kidding me? We just did 100 plus.
Yeah, but you see, they really like the shirts. So.
I got you. Send me over the order, man. But hey, who the F is Reggie though?
Hey, they really trying to find out. I'll just say that.
Yeah, if they're buying 100 damn shirts in less than a couple days.
Yeah, it's crazy, but I mean, what can I do?
I got you. Send me over the order. I got you.
It's all good.
All right. Hey, I'm screen recording this so I can put it on the video because they got to see how quick you sell merchandise.
Can you say that one more time?
I said I'm screen recording this so they can see, they can witness how quick you sell merchandise. They need to learn from you.
It's a little fast. It's a little bit fast.
All right, I got you, man. I'll hit you later on.
All right, to be safe.
All right, hey.
Hey, how you ain't never heard of rappers delight? From the west like Warren, in the Bay where the game is pouring. Mac Dre, where I'm from, he important. Priceless times, boy, you couldn't afford it. The hood made me like MC8. Menace to society, VC tape. Jack Tatum told me I'd be great. Junior Seau taught me love, don't hate. Like the Lombardi Zune done been polished. Just trying to share a little bit of this knowledge. It's from the streets, I ain't get it in college. The fact is, tell me I be paying them homage.